Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Is your car acting strange electrically? Flickering lights? A strange radio response? It might be time to check your ground connections. A ground connection in your car's electrical system is critical. It's the return path for electricity, completing the circuit so everything works smoothly. In many vehicles, the metal frame of the car serves as the ground, reducing the need for extra wiring. Without a proper ground, key electrical parts like lights, sensors, and even the engine computer might stop functioning correctly. Common ground points include the negative battery cable to the chassis, the engine block to the chassis, the transmission to the frame, and various connections for sensors, lights, and the ECU. If any of these connections are loose, corroded, or damaged, you might face electrical trouble. So, how do you know if your ground connection is bad? Here are the top 5 signs. Weird electrical behavior. Ever notice your car's electronics acting up? Maybe you turn on the radio and the blinkers start flashing instead. Or you try to roll down the window and the radio turns on. If your electronics are acting strange, it could point to a faulty ground. Starting problems: a weak ground connection can leave your starter motor with insufficient power, leading to a no crank, no start situation. In other cases, you might hear a slow, weak crank as the engine struggles to turn over. Flickering or dim lights. When the ground is weak or corroded, your car's lights can flicker or dim unexpectedly. Headlights, interior lights, and even dashboard lights can be affected. In extreme cases, you may see lights randomly turning on and off. Battery drains quickly. A poor ground connection between the alternator and battery can prevent the battery from charging properly. This could make it seem like your battery or alternator is failing, but a faulty ground might be the real culprit. Sensor malfunctions. Sensors in your car depend on a solid ground to send accurate information. A bad ground could cause them to send wrong signals, leading to poor engine performance or triggering the check engine light. Even if the sensors themselves are fine, a bad ground could cause faulty readings. Don't ignore these signs. If you re-noticing any of these issues, it's time to inspect your ground connections before replacing costly parts. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Repair. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.